In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive and PowerPoint online effectively. Whether you're a student presenting for class, a professional preparing for a meeting, or someone looking to collaborate effortlessly, organizing your PowerPoint presentations in OneDrive can drastically enhance your productivity and ease of access. Let's dive right into the steps to make it happen. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is your starting point where you'll have access to all your ongoing projects and presentations. If you're new to PowerPoint, you can find it on your computer by searching for it in the Start menu or finding it in your list of applications. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation that you're working on. Maybe it's an ongoing project or perhaps something you've just started. Either way, you want to ensure that the presentation is already open in your workspace so we can move on to the next steps. Now you'll want to go to the File tab. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the PowerPoint window. This tab is your gateway to various options that allow you to save, open and manage your projects. Once you've clicked on File, you should see a menu with several choices displayed. Next, you'll click on Save a Copy. This option ensures that a duplicate file will be created and we can direct it to save in the desired location without affecting the original version. This step is crucial as it allows us to choose where to store this new copy, specifically in your OneDrive. Once you've clicked on Save a Copy, look for the option labelled OneDrive Personal. Selecting this option will direct your saved file to be uploaded to your personal OneDrive account, which is Microsoft's cloud storage service. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your files are easily accessible from any device anywhere you have internet access. After selecting OneDrive, you'll need to type in your desired file name. This is a critical part as using a clear and descriptive name will make it easier for you to locate this file in the future. Make sure it's something relevant to the content of your presentation. Finally, click on Save. This action will complete the process of saving your PowerPoint presentation to OneDrive. The beauty of using OneDrive is that not only does your presentation get stored securely in the cloud, but it also becomes easy for you to share with others, collaborate in real time, or access while on the go. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly integrate your PowerPoint presentations with OneDrive, making your work more organized and accessible at a moment's notice. Whether you're at the office, at home, or on the move, your presentations are just a click away.